welcome back to another Make It and Take It. This week you should have received a cute little baggie. Besides this baggie, you will need some glue and a pair of scissors. In your baggie, there's some tissue paper, little flowers, a whole bunch of craft sticks. You're gonna have to sort them out. Some will be black. You should have 8 black, I do believe, and 2 plain. There is a strip of magnets, some chalk, and some little doodads. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our black sticks and we're going to put them all neatly together, kind of lined up. They don't have to be perfect, because let's face it, nothing's perfect. You're going to put some glue on your stick, kind of line it up there. Take the other one, little glue on it, line it up over there, just like so. At this point, I would take a couple of heavy books, place it on top of the craft sticks, and let your glue dry. Okay? Couple hours, overnight, whatever. Once it's dry, you are going to play with the teeny tiny little clothespins and the tissue paper. You're going to take your tissue paper, 2 sheets, mix and match your colors. We're gonna make cute little butterflies. You're just gonna cut a couple of ovals out. And maybe we're gonna make one big and we're gonna make one a little smaller, because you know you got front wings and back wings. And they don't have to be ovals, they can be squares, they can be whatever. You are going to gather them up in the middle, pinch it in your clothespin. Take the second piece, gather it up in the middle. Maybe we'll flip that one around. Pinch it in your clothespin, get them, and then just sort of manipulate them to make your little butterfly wings. You're gonna glue your butterfly somewhere on your board. Take your little flowers, and we're gonna little dab of, oh, maybe a little dab of glue there. And we're gonna put our flowers on, just like so. Once your decorations have dried, your little board looks something like this. Lay it down, take your magnetic pieces, they are sticky on the back, put 2 on the edge that you want to be the top, 1 on the bottom, so that it looks like so, okay? If they don't want to stick, a little bit of glue will make them adhere. You are ready to go. You have a refrigerator, chalkboard, magnet that you can make your weekly grocery list, write a fun message, wipes off with a damp rag. Have fun and enjoy, and I'll see you next